An app service plan in Azure is a foundational element for hosting web apps, RESTful APIs, and mobile backends. It defines the region data center of the physical server, the pricing tier, and the amount of resources, CPU, memory, and storage allocated to your apps. Understanding how to provision and manage an app service plan is crucial for optimizing performance, cost, and scalability of your applications. App service plans are essential because they determine the performance and cost of your web applications. By selecting the appropriate pricing tier, you can ensure that your application has the necessary resources to handle traffic and perform efficiently. Additionally, app service plans allow for scaling out, adding more instances, and scaling up, increasing the size of instances, providing flexibility to meet changing demands. To create an app service plan, navigate to the Azure portal, select Create a Resource, and search for App Service Plan. You'll need to provide details such as the subscription, resource group, name, region, and pricing tier. The pricing tier selection is crucial as it determines the resources and features available to your apps. Once created, you can link multiple web apps to the same app service plan, sharing the allocated resources. Azure offers several pricing tiers for app service plans, ranging from free and shared, basic tiers, to standard, premium, and isolated, advanced tiers. Each tier provides different levels of resources, features, and scaling capabilities. For example, the free tier is suitable for development and testing, while the premium tier offers advanced features like custom domains, SSL certificates, and higher scalability. Choosing the right tier depends on your application's requirements and budget. Scaling an app service plan can be done in two ways: scaling up and scaling out. Scaling up involves increasing the instance size to provide more CPU, memory, and storage. Scaling out involves adding more instances to distribute the load. Azure makes it easy to scale your app service plan through the portal, allowing you to adjust resources based on traffic patterns and performance needs. Auto-scaling can also be configured to automatically adjust the number of instances based on predefined rules. Monitoring and diagnostics are critical for maintaining the health and performance of your applications. Azure provides built-in monitoring tools like Application Insights and Azure Monitor, which offer real-time metrics, logs, and alerts. These tools help you track resource usage, identify bottlenecks, and troubleshoot issues. Setting up alerts for critical metrics ensures that you are notified of any performance degradation or resource constraints, allowing for proactive management. Security is a top priority when provisioning an app service plan. Azure provides several features to enhance security, including SSL TLS certificates for secure communication, IP restrictions to limit access, and integration with Azure Active Directory for authentication and authorization. Additionally, you can use Azure Security Center to assess and improve the security posture of your app service plan, ensuring compliance with industry standards and best practices. Managing costs is a crucial aspect of provisioning an app service plan. Azure provides tools like cost management and billing to help you track and optimize your spending. By analyzing usage patterns and identifying underutilized resources, you can make informed decisions to reduce costs. Additionally, setting up budgets and alerts can help you stay within your financial limits and avoid unexpected expenses. Choosing the right pricing tier and scaling strategy also plays a significant role in cost management. Ensuring the availability and integrity of your applications is vital. Azure offers built-in backup and disaster recovery options for app service plans. You can configure automated backups to regularly save your app's data and configuration. In case of a failure, these backups can be used to restore your application to a previous state. Additionally, Azure provides geo-redundancy options to replicate your app across multiple regions, ensuring high availability and resilience against regional outages. Custom domains and SSL certificates are essential for establishing a professional and secure online presence. Azure App Service Plans support custom domain names, allowing you to use your own domain for your web apps. Additionally, you can secure your app with SSL TLS certificates, which encrypt data transmitted between your app and users. Azure provides easy integration with various certificate authorities and even offers free managed certificates for basic SSL needs. Azure App Service Plans offer several networking features to enhance connectivity and security. You can configure Virtual Network VNet integration to connect your app to other Azure resources securely. Additionally, you can set up hybrid connections to access on-premises resources. Azure also supports private endpoints, allowing you to restrict access to your app through private IP addresses. These networking features provide flexibility and security for your application's connectivity needs. Integrating DevOps practices with your app service plan can streamline development and deployment processes. Azure DevOps and GitHub Actions provide continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines, enabling automated builds, tests, and deployments. By integrating these tools, you can ensure that your application is always up to date and that changes are deployed quickly and reliably. This integration also supports collaboration among development teams, improving productivity and reducing time to market. Compliance and governance are critical for ensuring that your applications meet regulatory requirements and organizational policies. Azure provides several tools and features to help you achieve compliance, including Azure Policy, which allows you to enforce rules and standards across your resources. Additionally, Azure Blueprints enable you to define and deploy a repeatable set of governance controls and compliance requirements. By leveraging these tools, you can ensure that your app service plan adheres to industry standards and best practices. Let's consider a case study of an e-commerce platform that needs to handle high traffic during peak shopping seasons. By provisioning an app service plan with a premium pricing tier, the platform can leverage advanced features like auto-scaling, custom domains, and SSL certificates. During peak times, the platform can scale out to multiple instances to handle increased traffic, ensuring a smooth user experience. Additionally, monitoring tools can track performance and resource usage, allowing for proactive management and optimization. To get the most out of your app service plan, follow these best practices. 1. Choose the right pricing tier based on your application's needs and budget. 2. Implement auto-scaling to handle varying traffic patterns. 3. Use monitoring and diagnostics tools to track performance and troubleshoot issues. 4. Enhance security with SSL TLS certificates, IP restrictions, and Azure Active Directory integration. 5. Manage costs by analyzing usage patterns and setting up budgets and alerts. 6. Ensure high availability with backup and disaster recovery options. 7. Integrate DevOps practices for streamlined development and deployment. Provisioning an app service plan in Azure is a critical step in deploying and managing web applications. By understanding the various aspects of app service plans, including pricing tiers, scaling options, security features, and cost management, you can optimize the performance, security, and cost efficiency of your applications. Leveraging Azure's built-in tools and best practices ensures that your applications are resilient, secure, and capable of meeting changing demands. Whether you're running a small blog or a large e-commerce platform, an app service plan provides the flexibility and scalability needed for success.